first and foremost, I just want to say thanks to Mike and Jim for making the trek down here and training us on some AI tools. What we've learned today, I think, is really going to propel our business forward, creating efficiencies, helping guys create systems and processes around what they're doing to make it more efficient, but also to be more accurate and it be just a better all-around way of how they're going to do their job. And so it was super interactive, super helpful, and we look forward to some of the results that are going to come from this. So thanks again, and well worth the value.
AI engines, the way to go. Great Christian men, learned a lot today. I recommend them highly. Can't wait to start using it for our business and see where it takes us.
Had a great job from AI engines today. Had a very engaging presentation. I think we went from having very limited AI knowledge to really having a place to start. So well done, thank you.
In the short time we were with AI engines, they helped tailor a program for our needs. So we now have our own custom CRM in such a short amount of time. It's extremely helpful, and we can't wait to get working with it. I created a golf tracker app in about 7 minutes. It tracks every single round individually. You just gotta manually enter the par and everything. And over in another tab, it keeps track of lifetime records. So as your rounds compile, you will be able to see how many pars, birdies, etc. that you've recorded.
Could you have done that this morning?
Nope. Definitely not.
Awesome, thanks.